Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure MariaDB 11.8 on Ubuntu 24.10. First open any web browser, then go to mariadb.org, then click on download, then click on MariaDB repositories, then select the distribution. See here we have the 2022 24.0 and 24.10. Then select the Ubuntu distribution, then we have to select the MariaDB server version. See here the latest release at the time of making this video is 11.8. Select it, then select the mirrors from this list. Then we have to run these commands one by one. So first copy these commands one by one, copy it, open terminal, paste it. It is going to install curl and AP transports HTTP. Hit enter, type it and hit enter. It is done. Next, make this directory, paste it, hit enter, then import this GPG. Copy this entire line, paste it, hit enter. It is done. Now see the message. Once the key is imported, copy and paste the following into this file. So first create this file. So copy this one, sudo or use the touch command, sudo vi, paste it, hit enter, press I to insert mode, then copy entire this text. So just click on this copy button, then paste it, escape, $WQ exclamation. Now update the packages, sudo apt get update, hit enter. Now install the MariaDB server, sudo apt. See here we have the MariaDB installation. See, we have to run this command, sudo apt get install MariaDB -server. Hit enter, type for confirmation and hit enter. We have successfully installed Ctrl+A. Now verify the status of the MariaDB server. Sudo systemctl status MariaDB. Hit enter. See, MariaDB server is running and its version is 11.8 and it is enabled. Queue to quit. Now we will see how to connect to MariaDB server. Sudo MariaDB. Hit enter. See, we have successfully connected. The first step after connecting to MariaDB server is we have to set the password for the MariaDB root account. Alter user root identified by, provide the password. We have to give root @localhost. Hit enter. See, query OK. So we have successfully set the password for this root account. Now exit. Now connect MariaDB with this new user, MariaDB -u root -p. Then provide the password that we have set. See, we have successfully connected. Let us verify the current user. Select current _ user. See, we have connected to MariaDB server with the user root. Now verify the list of the databases. Show databases. See, these are the default databases that comes with MariaDB. Let us create a database. Create database. Now verify. Show databases. See, new database is there. Now switch to this database by using the command use keyword. Then provide the database. See, database changed. Before it was none, now it is bank. Now verify the list of the tables. Show tables. See, we don't have any tables. Let us create a table in this database. Create table customer. Now verify the tables. Show tables. See, we have the table. Let us insert some data into this table. Let us verify the data. See, we have inserted these rows. Control A. Now we will see how to create a user. Before that, verify the list of the users. Show users. This won't work. See, but we can get the list of the users by running the command select user from mysql.user. See, these are the default users that comes with my MariaDB installation. So let us create user. Create user. Now verify again. See, we have created user David. Okay. Now exit from this MariaDB and connect with this new user. Exit is the command to exit from the MariaDB. Now connect with this new user MariaDB -u. User name is David -p. Then provide the password of this new user. In my case, whatever is there in singular double quotes, that is the password. Okay. Hit enter. See, we have successfully connected. Let us verify the current user. Select current _ user. See, we have connected to MariaDB with the user David. Also, if you want to verify the version of the MariaDB that I forgot to show you is, see, we have connected to MariaDB server version 11.8. You can also verify the version by running the command select version. See, we have connected to MariaDB 11.8. We can also connect MariaDB by using dbviewer or MySQL Workbench. So you can search for my YouTube channel how to install dbviewer or MySQL Workbench on Ubuntu operating systems. Now we will see how to stop, start and restart MariaDB server on Ubuntu 24.10. Control A, sudo systemctl status MariaDB. See, MariaDB is active and running. So we will see how to stop it. Sudo systemctl stop MariaDB. It is stopped. So verify now. See, MariaDB is inactive or dead. Duplicate, Control A. Also try to connect MariaDB when it is stopped. -u root -p. Provide the password of root account. See, we are unable to connect because MariaDB server is stopped. So start it again. Sudo systemctl start MariaDB. It is started. Verify the status. See, MariaDB is active and running. We have started 2 seconds ago. Also try to connect to MariaDB. See, we have successfully connected. Okay. If you want to restart, just give sudo systemctl restart MariaDB. We have successfully restarted. See, we have restarted 2 seconds ago. Okay. Control A. So in this video, we have seen how to install and configure MariaDB 11.8 on Ubuntu 24.10. Okay. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.